Pyrkhat se Maphi, Kidor Kila Kiew, Imagimataro Kila Kiew, Sandriu Kanta ni Trei Hakashisni, Tekalong Kabae. Tasagaway ba, balay, Lai sa Bnai, ka honorium journey, ka pending, kita yung place food.
The pending amount, I will ensure that it's clear at the end. The reason for the pending?
Sir, we have just received the second installment last week. So on the 5th, which was last Wednesday itself, we had processed. So 6th, 7th was a holiday, even 8th also was a bank holiday. So from today onwards, sir?
Yeah.
From today onwards,
By when will they get it? Just another time.
Sir, the next 2-3 days, the honorarium for this. Yaka honorarium nila the process no, naman niyo aslam ni kini second installment ng Government of India. Nadu ka sni Wednesday ngala the process Thursday, Friday, Saturday kung tutip kini shiti. Nadu banta ngala phone chipo officer ki ang makilasang credit checki account junki ko kam helpers. Tekan chimpor kung ba airlines ni ay naman kung mapitip ngidan kung ba 6,000 tam i ko kam helpers dahil hindi kindiaks ni airlines ni baro ini yon dia kan honorarium mo. Teka jingli ka ba ar junki hagaway but enhancement. Sir, regarding enhancement, last time when we had a review meeting in Delhi, so we had put forward a proposal. So there was a uniform proposal from Meghalaya and Tripura to enhance the honorarium from the current 2,000 to 8,000 rupees, sir. And that was highlighted in the review meeting in Delhi, sir. Okay.